Gamification and simulation aren't just for kids or video games. They're powerful tools for adult learning. Why? Because they tap into how adults stay motivated, curious, and engaged. Gamification is the use of game elements in non-game settings. That means adding points, badges, levels, challenges, or leaderboards to learning experiences. Simulation goes a step further. It creates immersive, realistic environments where learners can practice, fail, and grow in a safe space. Together, these strategies bring learning to life. For adults, gamification works because it fuels progress. Points and milestones create momentum. Badges and rewards reinforce achievement. Challenges add urgency and focus. It also gives learners control. They can choose their path, set goals, and get instant feedback, building autonomy and confidence. Simulation makes learning stick. Instead of hearing about a decision, learners get to make it. They get to experience consequences, test strategies, and reflect on results, all without real-world risk. This is especially powerful in fields like healthcare, leadership, customer service, and technical training, anywhere decisions matter, and practice makes the difference. So how can you bring gamification and simulation into adult education? Start small. Add progress bars, achievement markers, or unlockable content. Use quizzes with feedback that feel like challenges, not tests. Design role-playing scenarios or branching case studies where choices change the outcome. Let learners experiment and learn from the results. Make the experience feel meaningful. Don't gamify just for fun. Tie rewards to real growth. Make sure simulations reflect real decisions your learners actually face. And keep it inclusive. Not all learners are competitive, so offer different paths to progress and success. Let learners play, explore, and grow at their own pace. Gamification isn't about trivializing content. It's about energizing it. And simulation isn't about fantasy, it's about practice with purpose. Together, they create learning that's immersive, empowering, and unforgettable. Because when adults are engaged, challenged, and invested, they don't just remember more. They become more.